Our sun is the world's single most abundant source of energy, producing an outstanding 173,000 terawatts of solar energy every second. That amounts to more than 10,000 times the world's total combined energy use. In 14 and a half seconds, the sun provides as much energy to Earth as humanity uses in a day. And it's a resource that we have free access to from any location. Climate change has become a major concern here and around the world. To that end, being aware of our carbon footprint and seeking out clean alternative energy like solar is more important than ever.
In our new strategic plan under Enhancing Institutional Sustainability, one of our objectives is to identify environmentally sustainable campus improvements and include the students in this planning process. Involving them in this process gives them ownership and a sense of giving back to the community that has given them so much.
Hi, my name is Andrea Seeley. I teach AP Environmental Science and Honors Biology here at Blanchette. This is my 26th year teaching at Blanchette and my 10th year teaching the Environmental Science course. Our program is growing, and I think that reflects the level of interest students have in understanding the world that they live in and making sense of some of the scary headlines they see in the news about climate change and biodiversity loss, and learning to become part of the solution instead of just being afraid of the future. One of my favorite things about teaching environmental science is that kids really are able to connect the course content to their own lives. It's amazing to see how kids transform when they understand that their own actions have a real and important impact on the way the future is going to be for them and the rest of the people on our planet. There are so many aha moments in environmental science when students realize that things as disparate as reducing their food waste and changing their pattern of clothing consumption and caring about where their energy comes from are really impactful for them. Those things transform the way they see the world and allow them to see themselves as agents of positive change for the future. Climate change certainly is a daunting problem, but the good news about the problem is that we have all the technology and all the knowledge that we need to solve the problem. We just need the money and the will to make those solutions reality.
As individuals, there's a lot of things that we can do to definitely reverse the effects of climate change and be leaders in our community to make the world a better place.
Getting solar panels is just one solution that our school can implement to solve the problem that is climate change and save our planet.
And I just feel like the solar panels would let Blanchette as like a whole community give back to the environment.
And that's what the world needs right now, is just more sustainability, more renewable energy, and solar panels is a huge step forward.
There's so many ways that every single school could have the potential to leave a clean impact on their community, but that they don't is kind of heartbreaking. But having a school where they support explicitly the environment and they're making it known that they are willing to put in the effort and the money and the resources to building new solar panels would just make me so proud to be a Blanchette graduate.
I can already imagine myself in a future environmental science class in college and bragging to all my classmates about how my school has solar panels.
So to see like what you learned about being applied in your real life and in your like school community would be awesome, and I think it would inspire other schools around us to really do the same.
Somebody has to take the first step, and if Blanchette gets solar panels and becomes a renewable energy source, then everybody around us will also want to do that, and so other schools will fall in line too.
It would really hammer down on the idea that we are a Catholic school that backs loving God's creation and caring for it, because I believe that that's our job.
So I feel like at Blanchette in general, like it's been a big community in my upbringing, in my life. So I think helping promote something like these solar panels would be great, because if my kids go here or my grandkids, I think it would be really special for them to be able to look at something I impacted and how I uplifted our school for the future generations.
The future is renewable technology and energy, otherwise there might not be a future.
It's been said that us, our generation, as parents, Our generation is the first generation to feel the impacts of climate change, but the last generation to be able to do something meaningful about it. Here's an opportunity for us to actually make change in the lives of our children and the lives of our students and the lives of all of those in our community. So let's get these solar panels.
Go solar! Solar panels can last 25 years. Overall, solar power can be an expensive proposition, especially with the upfront costs. However, the long-term efficiency they provide can more than offset the initial investment, leading to savings for years to come. One important advantage of solar is you will lock in the price for your energy consumption for the next 25 years. Nonprofits have less access to solar energy as they are financially stretched thin. However, through your donations tonight, this will help Blanchette realize solar power, allowing us to focus on taking care of our own students and employees instead of the electric bill.
The future of green energy is here.
Help us be a leader in fighting climate change.
What do you want the future to look like?
Raise your paddles tonight and let's go green.
Go Bears!
Go Bears!
Go Bears!
Go Bears!
Go Bears!